Bonjour tout le monde, welcome back to my journey to make the best video. Today I'm gonna share to you how to make easy transition using your camera. In this tutorial, I use gimbal for smooth video, but you can do without it. First, we have a classic hand cover transition. You just have to fully cover the lens with your hand so the view turns black. The same for the next clip, then remove to uncover. Second, pillar transitions. You simply move towards a pillar and use it to block your camera lens. Then on your next clip, start by blocking your lens using a wall. Then film your subject walking toward the next pillar or wall. Next, in body transition, move closer to your subject so you can block your lens using its body. Then start your next clip by filming the same shot as the previous one for smooth transition. Next, underground transition, your subject should be above a platform. Move your camera from the top to bottom until you block your lens using the side of the platform. Then for the second clip, the subject should be under a beam. Block your camera using the beam, then move it downwards to reveal the subject. And for the last one, whip pan. Let your subject come closer to the camera and move the lens to your preferred direction. So that's it guys. Next week I'm gonna share to you how I edit these transitions. So thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new today. Click the like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you want to join me in this journey, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Quelle capacité derrière.
Putain de...
C'est moi, je te suis, je suis là. Moi je suis là.